Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. Another story behind the car. We're at the NADA in Las Vegas, Nevada. NADA is National Auto Dealers Association, and this is a booth right down from us. This is a company called Business Solutions. They do warranty work for auto dealers, and this is a guy named Tom Hall. He's the owner of the company, and this is his 1964 Chevy C10 Stepside TMI seats, TMI interior. And as I said, it's a 64 step side with a small back window. I've got a 61 stepper with a small back window. And as I also mentioned, TMI seats, really, really nice interior. It is I believe he said it was a Tremec transmission on this, and just a great looking. What's interesting is the paint looks wonderful, but he said it hasn't been buffed out yet. Great looking wheel and tire setup, and you can see the bed as well as the fuel cell. So I don't recall the frame that they put. They cut the front and the back, so it has a different front end and a different back end. You can see the back is tubbed. Great looking bumpers on the front and back, and just a really nice truck. And Tom was telling me he had this truck at SEMA as well. Took it out to SEMA and then brought it here to the NADA. Great looking interior. I really like the TMI seats. Just a very impressive build. He told me they built this like in 8 months. The engine is an LS3, 750 horsepower. It was built by the hot rod company out of Washington State.